Good morning. This morning we are going to reseal our roof, which is super exciting. I'm so excited, and we've been waiting for some good weather so that we can do this because it needs to be dry for days straight for this sealer to dry properly. So what we've got here is we've got a liquid rubber roof resealing kit. It's been designed for about a 30-foot trailer, so we should have plenty for our 28.5-foot trailer. So we're going to start with this RV Smart Cleaner. It comes with an activator that's in here. You mix the two together, and we'll use a garden sprayer to put it on the roof, and we'll do little sections, spray it on, scrub it, and then move on to the next section, and when we're done we'll pressure wash the whole roof. After that, we'll make sure that no repairs need to be done, so there's this liquid rubber seam tape that's included with the kit. They give you 50 feet of it. I think the roof's in good condition, but it's always a good thing to have on hand. After all of that dries, so probably tomorrow, we'll put on the EPDM rubber primer. So this helps the liquid rubber roof coating stick. That will be put on the roof, and then it only needs a few hours to dry before we put on the roof coating. I'm not going to lift this one. The roof coating is 5 gallons, apparently is good for our 30-foot section of roof. This one takes a lot longer to dry between coats, although I have heard it'll skim over pretty quickly within 20 minutes, but the instructions say it needs to have no rain for about 24-48 hours. Other things that were included in the kit: a couple roller refills, dozen gloves, and some brushes. So that's good because you should be wearing gloves when you're using any of these chemicals. Today's the second day of our roof resealing, so we're going to start by sweeping off the roof, cleaning all the tree bits, because we are in the forest, the tree bits that are on the roof, and the slide. And then we're going to roll down the primer and let that dry. Now that the primer has dried and is extremely sticky, we're going to put our first coat of the rubber roof sealant on. Alright, our first coat has dried. We're going to go on to the second coat. Probably a lot thicker coat this time, and I can actually walk on the roof and not be glued to it, so it'll be a lot easier. So we're all done our liquid rubber resealing kit on our roof. It ended up taking us about 3 days of work. One day we did the cleaning, one day we did the primer in 2 coats, the next day we did 2 more coats, so there's 4 coats on it. The first coat went down really thin, the next 3 a lot thicker.